Good morning, everyone. I am walking up to the event site for the Gran Fondo. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. George Hincapie. George, welcome to your own Gran Fondo.
Welcome to living in Greenville, South Carolina. We're going to bring you everything Greenville, Greater Greenville, upstate of South Carolina. Be sure to like and subscribe, and please comment. Let us know what kind of videos you want to see. We're going to put them on here. Thanks so much for being a part of this, and welcome to living in Greenville, South Carolina. Good morning, everyone. I am walking up to the event site for the Gran Fondo race here in Greenville, South Carolina today. So far, I've met folks from Ontario, Virginia, Chicago. They're coming literally from all over the country. I did see a car that was from Montana as well. And this is just the beginning of an exciting day here. And already cyclists are on their bikes, headed up to the event site. Here's another one from Virginia. So it's going to be such a cool day. This is an incredible cycling race here in the Carolinas. It's held every year at Hotel Domestique and the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains all around. Over 2,600 cyclists today at this Gran Fondo race, the Hincapie Gran Fondo, right here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. This is located here at Hotel Domestique, and it is a premier location for cyclists to come to for a world-class experience in cycling right here in Greenville County, South Carolina. So if you have an interest in cycling at all, this is an event you want to attend here in Greenville. Maybe you want to ride in it for sure. So just to let you know real quickly, there are 3 rides that you can choose from depending on the level of experience. We do have all the juniors coming up right now. Check this out, fantastic. And I don't know if you just heard the DJ say that it will be, I think the first 2 will win $10,000. The first female junior and male junior to cross the finish line will win $10,000. So this is really an incredible race here locally, but also nationally. We've got people here from all over the nation today, even out of Canada. I met one gentleman who is here from Ontario. He'll be riding in today's event. Now, a little while ago, I was about to say that there are three levels that you can choose from. If you are someone who just wants to take it easy today, even though there's going to be tons of hills, you can do the 15-mile ride. You can choose to do the 15-mile ride. Now, this is something, of course, you have to register for in advance. As you can see, everybody's making their way to the corral. It's exciting. You can do the 15-mile ride. You can do the 50-mile ride, or you can choose to do the 80-mile ride, which would be a phenomenal event. Now, I am a cyclist. I haven't cycled a lot recently, so I think I would probably choose the 15-mile today. Maybe the 50. But it's one of those that people absolutely love participating in. Again, 2,600 cyclists are here today. Look at this, all the people. And this is just right up at the front. We're gonna see so many of them go by in just a little while when this starts at 9 a.m. It's starting at 9 a.m. sharp. We've still got a lot of people. We're serving breakfast at the hotel this morning for all the cyclists. Everyone that's participating gets to be a part of the entire event and take advantage of the breakfast and then all sorts of gifts that they get and that kind of thing. So exciting. I'll see you back here when it starts. 2,600 cyclists competing today at the Hincapie Gran Fondo here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina in Greenville County. We've got Greenville County sheriffs and police patrol out today, already on the roads, making the route safe for all of the cyclists. We have a whole juniors group of cyclists that actually will be in the running for a $10,000 prize at the end. That's pretty darn exciting right there. And we've got Prisma Health on the route, making the route safe as well in case there are any accidents along the way. So we're hoping for safe travel for all of the cyclists today. Woo!
Olympic silver medalist, time trial champion, third place winner in the Tour de France, Christian Vandervelde. Make some noise for D'Angelo Williams, he's here as well. And finally, actually not finally, Enzo Hincapie. I got money on Enzo today to be the winner. And the man with the plan, the best looking man in the peloton, the one, the only, 17-time Tour de France rider, Mr. George Hincapie. And don't forget, when you do your laundry this afternoon, what are you going to use?
OxyClean.
I can't hear you. And if your legs are screaming, come down and see us at the Moncurs trailer. That's it from me.
Never shy for the camera. Sully Sullivan getting ready to do his ride. I guess he's going to be doing the 80-ish. All right, where's D'Angelo Williams? Get up here, man. Where's Amani Toomer? Where is Amani? Oh my gosh, D'Angelo's already dropped Amani Toomer. All right, well, since we don't have Amani here, we're going to go ahead and talk to D'Angelo, friend of mine from Charlotte, North Carolina. D'Angelo, we talked last night. Tell us a little bit about what you and Amani have got going on today.
Well, since there's so many pros out here and everybody's good on the bike, you got to be very cautious of who you challenge. So I made sure that I challenged somebody that was kind of similar to me in terms of playing football and not like an extreme cyclist. So I gave Amani Hill, and today I'm gonna beat Amani up and down these hills, and I'm gonna beat him like a rag doll. So if you guys looking to help somebody, Amani's gonna need that help there.
Now, it's funny, D'Angelo, that's not what I got from you last night. I got a little different story, but no, it's great. The smack talk is great. Hey, once again, ladies and gentlemen, former Carolina Panther, now a elite cyclist, D'Angelo Williams. Where is Christian around? He's, oh, God, again. So not Christian. Well, what about George? Can we get George up here? Wait, before we get George, what about Bobby Julich? I want to talk to Bobby real quick. Is Bobby going to come? Can we get Bobby up here? Here comes Bobby. He's not shy. Before we get to George, let's get to Bobby Julich. All right, come up here, Bobby. By the way, I want to thank you yesterday for saving me from the water fountain at last night's VIP party. That was very sweet of you. All right, so for those of you who don't know, Bobby was a big-time pro, race with George, etc. But he did something a few weeks ago for the very first time. He got to call his first professional bike race. Tell us the difference between calling the race and actually doing the race.
Well, yeah, that was a great experience. I think calling the race, you're that armchair quarterback where you're going to make everything perfect, but when you're out on the road, you're making many mistakes. So yeah, that was kind of fun, but you don't get the same sort of like endorphin flow that the guys out on the road are getting, but it just gives you a total new respect for what everybody does. This is a hard sport, people, and you got to learn how to suffer every now and then, but today it's all about having fun.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bobby Julich is... Bobby, you doing the 80?
Yes, we are doing the 80.
All right, so what that means is there's like 4 cutoffs, and normally these guys do the cutoff. All right, he's shaking his legs out like he used to do, racing for many, many years at the pro level. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. George Hincapie. George, welcome to your own Gran Fondo.
Thank you, Chad. I'm really happy to be back here. Our 11th year. I can't believe it's been 11 years. We started as a retirement party. 1,000 people showed up. I think today we got over 2,500 people. So thank you all for coming out. It's a celebration of cycling. I want to thank the team for putting this all together, all the pros from coming from all over the world. And the first-time riders, like my son, who's 8 years old, doing this today for the first time. And the people that have been here since day one. I want to thank you all. We love you. Thank you.
Wait, I do have one question. What does it mean to you? I think this is the first year that you're ever doing the Gran Fondo with your other son, Enzo, in the National Champions jersey. What does it mean to you to do that?
Yeah, no, it's awesome to watch. He's been working hard. Unfortunately, he had a little bit of a crash yesterday, but he's here on the start line, and I'm excited to see how he does today in the race. But it's really fun to have him here.
There you have it, George Hincapie, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I think the pep talk that George gave Enzo is, as they used to do back in Europe on the cow pasture roads, rub some dirt on it, get on your bike and go race today. Well, he's rubbed dirt on it and he's here racing today. We are 5 minutes away, ladies and gentlemen, from the start of the 2022 Gran Fondo Hincapie. Have you guys, if you're able, stand, which most of you guys are, take your helmets off and your hats if you don't mind. At this time, our national anthem from Oakboro, North Carolina, 15-year-old volleyball singer, and of course, riding her bike. Give it up for Lena Pressler.
Woo!
Hey guys, we are 1 minute away. Make sure you make a new friend, high five somebody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get out
Woo!
There they go, ladies and gentlemen. Gran Fondo Hincapie is now on. When you come by the start-finish line, hit us up to where you're from. Toronto, eh? Toronto, of course, we've got all of Toronto here. New Jersey, which is not in Toronto. And we'll... Charlie!
Wow, y'all, the cyclists keep coming. Like I said, there's over 2,600 cyclists today in this incredible event here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina. Now, it's going to be covering quite a few miles. If they're doing the 80-mile race, obviously, they're going to be going a lot of miles throughout the Blue Ridge Mountains. What an exciting event. Everyone's got a smile on their face, at least to start. We'll see if they're still looking that way in just a little while. Here they go, keep going. Now, I swear I saw Patrick Dempsey in the front of the pack earlier, up in the folks that were in the front where George was up there. George Hincapie, of course, was up there with his son Enzo. So just to give you an idea of the amount of cyclists that are here today, again, over 2,600. They took off exactly at 9 a.m. We are now 20 minutes into the race, and there are still people coming across the start line. They're still lined up as far as you can see down there. Just love bringing this world-class event, cycling event, to you on the Living in Greenville, South Carolina YouTube channel, because what we want to do with our channel, what I want to do with this channel, is to show you all that Greenville and Spartanburg and Anderson and Travelers Rest, all the areas around, all that we have to offer, world-class cycling events. We have, for many, many years, we hosted the USA Cycling Championships in downtown Greenville, and that was thanks to George Hincapie. So you can see that they've got some actual live coverage here, so people can stay here. The family members and friends who might be here with some cyclists are able to keep up with where their loved one or friend might be on the route. This is really cool. So this is the area where they're going to have the Family Fun Festival today, here after everyone starts coming back in to celebrate. So this is really a cool venue and location today. Of course, this Hotel Domestique is a world-class hotel right here in Travelers Rest, South Carolina, and it is an incredible cycling experience as well. So when you come here to stay, you can participate in rides. Thanks so much again for watching this video about the George Hincapie Gran Fondo race that happens every year in Greenville, South Carolina. It is a fabulous event, whether you are a spectator or a cyclist. So I'm training now to hopefully become a cyclist in this year's event. We have a lot of events in Greenville and a lot of fabulous places to ride. If you are a cyclist, you are going to love Greenville and you definitely want to check it out. Thanks so much again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I look forward to seeing you living in Greenville, South Carolina.